What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Kid Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. Now we get started in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Start over on the left side. We're going to curve the brow going up and then out towards the left. Line this up on the right. Go up and out towards the same height. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, curve in and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect the bottom corners with a curve, coming down and up. Let's add some thickness to the brow. Starting from the outside, we're going to angle up and in with a short line. And we'll curve the brow coming in, and then just taper that down in behind the inside edge of the brow. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now move out to the side and draw the outside edge of the eyes. From the outside corner of the brow, we'll step in, curve the eye going out, and then bend that in. Let's go back to the left side. We'll curve the lower edge of the eye, coming in, and just bend that down. And we'll just pull that back up along the inside, curving in and up. Now we're going to pull the pupils towards the inside. Start on the left and draw a half circle. Going around and then up. And do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to add a shadow line underneath each eye. Starting on the outside, curve in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll move to the center and draw the top edge of the nose. We're going to curve up and then bend that back down. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left. We're just going to pull this up a little bit higher on the right and then hook that down. Let's move out to the side, draw the lower half of the head coming in towards the chin. We're going to start over on the left side. Just going to curve this down and then bend that in towards the middle. Just round up the chin, go out and up on the right. And then from the jaw, we're going to draw a straight angled line, going up and out towards the left and right side. Let's connect the top with a curve for the bottom edge of the headband. We'll go up and then bend that back down. And we'll add some hair coming down from underneath the headband. We'll start over on the left side, curve out and down on top of the eyebrow, taper that back up towards the top. Step over, curve out, and then down in the middle, and go out towards the right. Let's add one more coming in the opposite direction. Coming down and in, and taper that back up. We're also going to add the edge of the hairline on the outside. Starting from the top left, curve out and then down. Angle up and in with a short line. And then angle down and out towards the side. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. Starting from the top corner, curve the ear going up, down, and then in towards the side of the head. And we'll go back in and add the folds. Starting on the left, curve up and out. Go back to the inside, draw a curve going out, and hooking that in. Now I'm going to move back up and draw the side of the headband. On top of the left ear, draw a straight line going up. And we'll connect the top with a curve. We're going to add some hair coming down along the top. Starting on the left, curve up and into right about here. I'm going to add some hair. Go out and then down. Curve up and in. Let's continue that curve over towards the right. Go out, so stop right about here, add another piece of hair coming down, out and then down, taper that back up, and we'll close off the right side. I'm also going to add some folds on the side of the headband. On the left side, curve up and in, go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to go back to the left and draw in the hair spikes. Start from the top corner, curve out and then down. Now I'm just going to taper that around and then back in. Let's add another point. Going out and then down. Pull that up and in. Let's add another point. And go up and out. I'm just going to pull this around and then down on top of the head. And we'll work our way over towards the right side. Starting from the top, just going to round up the top and come down. Now we're going to add a point. Go up and in. Taper that back out towards the side. Let's add another point coming down. Start up here, go out and down. Taper that back in. Now I'm just going to pull this down towards the top corner of the headband. Just going to round this out and pull that in. Let's add a couple more points of hair on the right. Starting from the top, go out and then down. Taper that back in. Let's add one more. Going out and then down. And pull that in toward the side of the ear. Let's add some more hair coming down underneath the ears. We're going to start over on the left, go out and then down. I'm just going to go over towards the right and just mirror what we do on the left. Let's taper that back up and in. And then add one more point. Come down and in. And pull that up and in underneath the head. Alright, now we're going to move down and draw on the collar. Let's start over on the left side and add a fold. Coming down, in, go over towards the right. Do the same thing. Step back over towards the left. Come down in towards the middle. Round this out and then go up on the right. Let's go back underneath the chin and add a fold. Going out and then down towards the left. Now I'm going to go out towards the side of the collar and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left. Going out and then down towards the hip. So come down toward the same height on the right. And we'll connect the hips with a curve. Come down the middle, and then back up, step up, and draw that same curve. Let's add some folds inside the body and the belt. We're going to start on the left side, go out and then up, do the same thing on the right. And then we'll add a fold on the side of the belt. From the top, step down, come down and in. And from the bottom right corner, step up, come down, and in. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. I'm going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line coming down, and then we'll add a fold, coming up and out toward the left and right side. Let's go back to the center and add a fold, coming down and out toward the left and right. Then we'll go up to the hips and add another fold. We're going to round up the leg and pull it back in. Let's close off the bottom of the leg. We start all the way over on the left side. We round this out, come down towards the bottom, just tuck that up on the inside. And then going back up underneath the belt, we'll add a pleat, going out and down on both sides. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the legs. We're going to start with the cuff, starting from the outside, come down, and then up. Same thing on the right. And then from the inside, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot going up and in underneath the cuff. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Just underneath the collar, we're going to step down, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right side. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle, coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve down, and then up around the bracket, step down, and up the second finger, and then on the outside, draw the third finger, round out the arm, and just pull that up towards the top of the collar. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll go back and add the wristband. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve up, and then out, and step up, and just follow that same curve coming towards the inside of the arm, both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's Kid Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.